this pasta salad. It's great for summertime, so come with me and we're gonna cook it up. Today we're going to be making a pasta salad, and it originated from Ruby Tuesdays. It was a restaurant here in our hometown, and unfortunately they went out of business. But before they did, I asked the waitress or the chef for the recipe, because I loved it so much I would go just to get this pasta salad. It's very easy. You get 1 box, 1 pound of I use tricolor Rotini, and but you can get the yellow kind, just the plain kind. But I like the other kind because it's prettier. Now before this, you put your pasta on boil. I put a little oil in mine, and you wait till it boils, and then you put the box of pasta in there. I think I cooked mine for about 8 minutes, and you want it completely cooked because you're not going to cook it anymore. So you do not want it al dente, you want it completely cooked. I got 8 ounces of cubed ham, and you just go to the deli and buy some thick ham and then just cut it up. So we're going to put 8 ounces of cubed ham in there, and a cup, 8 ounces of frozen peas. Took the peas out and strained them through some warm water because they were kind of stuck together and frozen. And then we got a half of bell pepper chopped up real fine. I don't like big chunks of bell pepper, so. And I got 1 cup of mayonnaise. And 1 cup of ranch dressing. And I'm going to put, I had some ranch seasoning, and I'm going to put in a tablespoon. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in there. Just a tad. After you get all this mixed up, you're going to chill it for about 2 hours in the fridge so it can get all, so your pasta is going to be, hot. And after your pasta cooks, you're going to drain it. So be sure to do that before you put it in. Start mixing everything. A little taste here, see? If I need to add anything. Maybe a little bit more salt. It'd be a great side dish for any chicken, pork, barbecue, anything you want to eat with it, or just have it as a pasta salad. But I hope you try this pasta salad from Ruby Tuesdays, and I know you're going to like it. Thanks. God bless.